Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add a navigation menu to your Squarespace website, helping visitors find key sections of your website. So let's get started. The first step is to open the Pages section. And before you do that, you have to log into your Squarespace account. And to do so, just go to your web browser and type in Squarespace in the search bar. Once the website appears, enter it and enter your account credentials to log in. Now once logged in, select Account Dashboard here and click on it. After clicking on it, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. Select the website you want to modify here. You want to add a navigation menu here. Select it and you'll be directed to the editor. Here you'll see sections labeled main navigation. Before you do that, you have to go to pages in the left sidebar here. And here you'll see sections labeled main navigation and not linked. Second step is to add pages to the navigation menu. Drag and drop pages from not linked to main navigation. This will make them appear in your site's main menu. Just like this one, it's very simple. And I added them. Now arrange them in the order you want by dragging them within the main navigation section. You can change the order just by switching them around. And the third step is to customize your navigation display. Go to Design and Site Styles to adjust the appearance of your menu. Some templates allow for additional customization like drop-down or sidebar menus. Now you've got a navigation menu in place, making your site more user-friendly. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.